Your YouTube videos are just not interesting, and that's probably why your analytics looks something like this. Today, I've got something incredibly special for you. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to the problem. You spend hours creating videos and analyzing YouTube analytics but still struggle with underperforming videos. There's a simple, often overlooked strategy that can significantly improve your video performance. To understanding what makes content interesting. Research was done to identify why certain content is interesting. Forbes identified 4 key elements in ads: relevant visuals, strong brand identification, brilliant headlines, and 1 other element. These elements translate to YouTube as thumbnails, strong channel branding, well-thought-out titles, and 1 more crucial aspect. 3. The importance of first impressions. MrBeast emphasizes that if people don't click on your video, they won't watch it. The first impression, created by your thumbnail, title, and branding, is crucial. 4. The power of color contrast. Using color contrast, especially complementary colors, can make your thumbnails stand out. Examples of contrast include using a bright color against a muted background or vice versa. Different types of contrast like light versus dark, saturation, and grayscale can make your thumbnails more appealing. 5. Using size contrast. Size contrast can be used in thumbnails by making certain elements larger, drawing attention to the most important aspects. Examples include using larger fonts or visuals to make a specific point stand out. 6. The role of numbers and formatting. Large, round numbers are often attractive in thumbnails, especially when money is involved. Split thumbnails showing before and after scenarios or contrasting ideas are also effective. 7. The importance of context. Contrast only works when placed in the right context. A thumbnail needs to stand out among others in its niche. If the environment is dark, a lighter thumbnail can create the necessary contrast. 8. Contrast beyond color and size. There's also mood, tone, and emotional contrast. Examples include contrasting self-improvement content with the idea of how not to improve yourself. 9. Combining niches for unique thumbnails. Some creators combine elements from different niches to create unique, contrasting thumbnails. This approach helps to stand out in crowded niches. 10. Making content interesting after the click. After attracting the click, the content must also be engaging. Different YouTubers, like MKBHD and Boss, have distinct content styles that maintain interest. 11. Using nostalgia and uniqueness. Nostalgic content, like Minecraft videos, contrasts with modern trends and resonates with older audiences. Uniqueness is the ultimate advantage. It involves using your distinctive perspective to create content that stands out. 12. The final key, your unfair advantage. Every creator has a unique advantage, something that sets them apart. Use this along with the strategies of contrast and comparison to make your videos more interesting. 13. 5 reasons content becomes interesting. Resonance, relatability, and relevance. Is the content relatable, relevant, and does it resonate with the audience? Utility or value. Does it solve a problem or meet an unmet need? Novelty, new and unique experiences or visuals. Visual and sensory appeal, eye-catching thumbnails and engaging visuals. Emotional appeal, authenticity and personality spark curiosity and engagement. The power of contrast and comparison is crucial for creating interesting content. Incorporate these elements into your videos to grow your channel, as it's never been easier to succeed on YouTube. Thanks viewers for watching, and promises more valuable content in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips. Have questions? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. See you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep learning, and stay awesome. See you in the next video.